What's up, guys? Welcome back to The Educated Barfly. My name's Leandro Demon Riva, and I just want to let you know how nice of a guy I am. You know how nice of a guy I am? I'm such a nice guy that I started putting a timestamp in the show notes exactly where the tutorial starts, so those of you who don't want to listen to me yammer on can click the link and go to the beginning of the tutorial. For those of you that like the history, welcome. And today we're going to be making a Jasmine cocktail, which is something that you guys have been talking about a little bit and referencing back to me. It was created by Paul Harrington in 1990 at the Townhouse bar in Emeryville, California. And it was created, the story behind it basically was that it was created for his friend Matt Jasmin, who had sat at Harrington's bar and said, "Make me something you've never made." Then Harrington, whose favorite cocktail was the Pegu Club, decided to whip this up, kind of based on the Pegu Club. Matt Jasmin took one sip of it and said, "Congratulations, you've just invented grapefruit juice." I thought that was pretty funny anyway. All right, let's get into the drink. And then for those of you guys who have clicked the link, welcome. Sit on down. We're making the cocktail now. What we're doing first is 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. I'm putting it in the big tin for some odd reason, but really, this should be switched. I don't know. Sometimes that happens. Next thing we're going to do, 1/4 of an ounce of, let's do label out, Cointreau. 1/4 ounce Campari. Whoa, come back here. And 1.5 ounces of gin. We're just gonna add our ice, spill some on the floor, lock our tins, and shake. Now we shall double strain. And lemon twist garnish. That simple. Let's give it a whirl. Let's see if Paul Harrington really did invent grapefruit juice. I like that. It is very tart, obviously, from the lack of simple syrup. So kind of also in the same vein as a daisy, but you get really, really nice mixture of the lemon, the Campari, and the Cointreau just adds just a touch of sweetness. Obviously, the gin's the star of the show. And there you have it, my friends, the Jasmine.